it's recording now.
Okay.
Where'd it go? Slowest game of ping pong. You just broke
Slowest game of ping pong. You guys have to go slower because the viewers are gonna be like, "Oh my gosh, this is taking a long time," and they're gonna get all dizzy. Where are you going? Player number 2 in green shirt. Guys, where are you? Are you doing the thing again? The thing with the
It
thing?
says recording on it, doesn't it?
It does?
It says it.
Does it say recording?
Got any more ping pong balls?
Oh, what'd you do?
That's the owner of this
Camera.
slash videotaper.
Slash. Whatever it's called.
Right here.
That's Pedro.
Alex is his middle name.
My middle name's Nicole.
My name is actually like Jake Alex
Jake Bryan.
Smith.
Is there a real guy named Jake Bryan?
Player number 1. Player number 2.
Do you have a
Player
middle
number
name?
1.
What's your middle name?
Player number 2.
Yeah.
Player number 1. Player number 2. Player number 1. Player number 2.
Alright.
Player number 2 just player number 1.
Oh,
Player number 2.
that
Player
touch
number
is
1,
sweet.
2. 1, 2. What just happened?
She took a picture.
Player number. No, you're recording me.